Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today's video is brought to you by a company called Jez V. This is a newer company and what they make is feminine products. So their major product is their Intima cream, which is just a cream, like a lotion moisturizer kind of a thing that you can use on your nether regions or in your armpits or wherever you need it, really. But it's specifically meant for women, for your body's most sensitive areas. And it is meant as like a deodorizer, but also it's pH balanced and made with natural plant extracts. All of these products are also cruelty-free and vegan and made from recycled packaging, all of that good stuff. So I appreciate that aspect. Also, the packaging is rather discreet. So I know that things like this can be embarrassing. Our culture kind of puts that on us, that like, you know, we're not allowed to have vaginas or anything to do with them, right? I appreciate the discreetness behind it. It just looks like a normal lotion or whatever. The wash that you can just throw in your shower and it looks, you know, like any other wash. It's not like big giant, hi, I'm for your stinky vajayjay kind of a thing. So I do appreciate that aspect. Also, the scent on these is rather subdued, I would say. They're not super strong or floral or smell like baby powder. It's actually a very light scent and it has this sort of cooling aspect to it. So when you first put it on, it feels cooling, not tingling, but just like, you know, you get cooling. I don't know how else to explain it. I have used the cream in my armpits as well, even right after shaving, and it did not irritate them at all. And it, you know, left me kind of fresh smelling. I didn't smell stinky. Granted, it hasn't been super hot or anything, but yeah, I used it and didn't put other deodorant on and smelled fresh as a daisy all day long. So I would say that it is effective. Now, you know, as far as like a deodorizer for your crotch, this isn't like, you know, if you've got something funky going on, a yeast infection or something like that, go see your doctor. This is not for that. This is like for normal, everyday, you know, just because you're wearing tight clothes, because you're a little sweaty, you know, maybe you just went to yoga class, or, you know, sometimes just what you eat can kind of change your body odors and what's going on. I mean, I know sometimes I remember sitting there, I'm like, why do my armpits smell like Indian food? I haven't even eaten Indian food. Sometimes things just happen and it's a little bit weird, but you know, we all have these issues and I enjoy these products. I have been using them for a couple of weeks now. So you've got your cream, which is supposed to last for 5 days. Now I have not put it to the test for a full 5 days because I feel like, am I supposed to not shower for 5 days or what's the deal? But I have used it, you know, for a couple of weeks now, and they do say, you know, it's best right after the shower, and try to rub it in completely so that it doesn't get on your clothes or whatever, but it shouldn't, and it doesn't like leave a major residue. At least I haven't noticed it. Like I said, I've been using it in my armpits too, and certainly no more residue than my regular deodorant gives me. So you've got the cream and then the wash, which you can just use in the shower, whatever. You know, I mean, I've been told so many times by like my OB, don't use, well, if anything, a very mild soap, otherwise just like warm water, because you can throw off your pH balance and that's how you end up getting like a yeast infection or something. So this is supposed to be pH balanced and very gentle, very mild, so it's not going to throw off your normal chemistry, which I think is really awesome. And again, it has that same just very mild scent and cooling effect, which I like. And then they also have these wipes for, you know, the on-the-go lifestyle. You can throw it in your purse or your gym bag or whatever and just give yourself a quick wipe down for the same kind of effect. And they're cute little foil wipes. I really like the wipes. I think this is definitely the kind of thing that like I would like to keep one in my purse at all times, because you just never know when you might need one. You know, you're out and about and running around and suddenly you're like, I don't feel so fresh. So anyway, it is discreet packaging. It's not an overpowering scent. It's cruelty-free and vegan and recycled packaging. It's pH balanced, it's mild, it works all over your body. I particularly like it in my armpits. I know that might be weird and maybe not even what it's meant for. It's more for, you know, your stinky vajayjay, but I swear it works really well in my armpits too. So you can buy all of these products individually and they are a bit on the pricey side, but you don't need that much. So I feel like it would probably last you a while. But then they also have a travel set that you can try. And I love me some travel sets for new products, because that way you can try it out without committing to the full size and then realizing, oh my gosh, this scent is awful, I hate it, or it smells good in the bottle, but as soon as you put it on your body, it smells like fish. I've had that experience. So I would recommend starting with the travel size and then choosing your favorite products or whatever. And it comes in this cute little bag, and then you can kind of see what works for you. And the travel kit's only like $18, which I think is great, because the cream is what I want to say like 45. I think this is around 25. I've been using all of these products for the last couple of weeks and I've really been enjoying them. They are definitely working for me. And I like what the company stands for. I like the whole don't be embarrassed, but we're gonna be discreet for you just in case. And hey, we all wanna feel fresh and not smell overly perfumed in weird ways that just kind of makes you feel even more gross sometimes. Also, if you go to their website, they have a blog which has all sorts of interesting information. I was reading through several of the articles and just like, oh wow, that's interesting, or good to know kind of thing. Also, they have an FAQ page, so if you do have specific questions on how to use the products or in what ways the products can work for you, that sort of a thing, I would check that out as well. Anyway, some excellent feminine hygiene products for you. Again, I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!